back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, Afro Caro Kitchen, my turning subscriber, you are most welcome. I thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. So today, being a Friday, we are having chapati. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you guys how I measure and use the recipes, but I'll put everything in the description later on, so you don't need to mind. I will go ahead and do that. So here my pan is ready, panning hot, and also here I've boiled some lentil. That's what I'm eating with my chapati. I'm making milk for tea. Yeah, so keep watching as we are cooking. Let us roll our first chapati and cook it, guys. So here we are. Here we are. I'm doing my first rolling the chapati. I know if you watched my old videos, you will get to know how I do my chapati or how I measure the water, the oil. This first one is not very nice, but this is the first chapati. Let it cook. This is nice cooked. Here, so the first chapati.
Like this or differently?
First chapati. Here.
Oh, this is
And
enough one.
take it out.
This is such a big one.
You can see. So guys, here is our last chapati. We are done with our cooking of chapati. We are making the sauce. We shall also fry the sauce a little bit. Tomatoes are cooked. I'm just going to add on the lentil. Let me finish with chapati. It's ready. Light is okay. That's chapatis are here, guys. So this is our chapatis which are done. See? So last but not least, for us to be done, this is my sauce. It's cooking. This is even ready. Let me add in or on spices for my lentils. I'm going to add in some of my spices. I have salt, I have royco, and I have paprika. That's what I'm using for my lentils. Because I boiled it already with salt, I'm not putting so much. I'm adding in my that's what I'm adding in. Mix it. Make sure everything is inside mixed well. I'm going to add in some milk. I love my lentils with milk and a little ghee. Here is my milk. Don't need to put too much because you don't need it to dilute. Put like a quarter cup, but I'm going to add some more. That's enough. And here I have my fry the ghee and onion, but because I'm late, I'm not doing that. Just going to add it inside. 1 spoon. Ghee. I add a little more because I love ghee. Look at this, guys. This is ready. I'm not going to let the ghee to cook so much. Yes, guys. So guys, here is our dinner. As you can see, this is our dinner for today. I also had fresh juice. This is pomegranate juice mixed with pineapple. I don't know if I pronounced it well. That is where I can go. Thank you guys. Afro Caro Kitchen. So today is a Friday. I'm having chapati, lentils, and cabbage. That's what we're having, and our fresh juice. You're most welcome to enjoy this dinner with us. I wish you a good night, happy Saturday, happy Friday to those who are not near. So kindly tell me where you are watching me from, and also tell me what food you want me to cook next time, and also tell me what I should do right. Thank you so much, guys. I love you people. Have a great night. Ciao, ciao, Bella.